Today we're going to show you a design of a sanding pad I made to use hook and loop 5-inch sanding pads. Sanding pad that I designed a while back. I'll explain some of the features here. It's slightly under 5 inches, so when you put a hook and loop pad on it, the actual disc hangs over just a little, just like your orbital sander. For efficiency of printing, I've relieved the handle with a couple of triangles which make it easy to 3D print. I've got recesses in both sides of the handle. The slopes and angles are all, again, so that you can make it easy to 3D print. You can see on the edges I've rounded things over so that it's not sharp, both on the handle and on the end of the pad itself. So that's pretty much it. After the 3D printing was complete, I applied industrial shrink velcro hook and loop to the back of the pad. This allows the sanding pads to be attached to the unit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. The files are uploaded to Thingiverse, and I'll put the link in the description below.